I remember my first trip to Hawaii. I ate my weight in food, drank out of coconuts on sandy beaches, scaled beautiful mountains, and I even got laid, for lack of better terms. Jokes aside, Hawaii is one of the most popular tourist destinations on Earth, and for good reason. My memories of Hawaii are always tinted with the colors of breathtaking sunsets, endless oceans, and lush forests. Hawaii offers the escape that so many people long for, and environments that people dream their whole lives about. However, dreams don't always come cheap, and in Hawaii, they definitely don't. Today, we're going to take a look at the 5 most expensive homes for sale in Hawaii. Number 5. 691025 Pa'oaway, Kamuela, $18.9 million. Now, imagine waking up every single morning to a view like this. You could sip your morning coffee with your feet in a heated pool while watching the sun rise over Maui. Well, for $18.9 million you could. 691025 Pa'oaway in Kamuela is listed for $18.9 million, and it isn't just the view that's earned it that high price tag. This 4-bedroom, 4-bath home is 5,600 square feet of luxury. The home comes with 7 flat-screen televisions, an indoor-outdoor music system, custom-crafted granite countertops, and a minimalist modern design throughout the home. Of course, the exterior of the home is where it really shines. There is 300 feet of ocean frontage that can be reached by taking a private path down to the white sand beaches. After a day of snorkeling, surfing, and sunbathing, mere feet from your home, you can take the path back and relax by your pool. The heated infinity pool offers an opportunity to swim when you just aren't feeling saltwater. Of course, the area is perfectly curated to host incredible parties, with a built-in fire pit, hot tub, and a large bar with a grill. Even better, the bar comes with a tap, so you can serve up yourself or your guests whatever their hearts desire. Number 4. 72160 Kumakehu St. Kailau, Kona, $19.9 million. When you visit Hawaii on vacation, 9 times out of 10, you're staying at a resort. And with all-inclusive drinks, crazy-friendly staff, endless rounds of golf, truly, it's the way to go. There's nothing like being catered to from the second you land until the second you leave. At 72160 Kumakehu Street, that resort feeling never ends. Listed for $19.9 million, this home is located in Hualalai Resort and comes with all the bells and whistles you could possibly imagine. For starters, you can look out onto the ocean from your stunning infinity pool, or turn your head to see a full golf course where the final hole of the PGA Champion takes place. This is a home for someone who loves golf, because the owner of the home will certainly be seeing a lot of it during their stay here. The home comes with a gourmet kitchen, which would hardly be used considering the multitude of 5-star restaurants located directly in the resort. Last time I was there, I had the most incredible gold flake uni with, well, sorry, I'm just making myself hungry here. Anyways, the home prides itself on bringing the outdoors in, with several floor-to-ceiling glass windows, retractable walls, and sliding doors. Have you ever taken a bath right next to your outdoor shower with the ocean breeze rolling in? Well, I'd highly recommend it. Number 3. 723168 Makani Eka Place, Kailua, Kona. When a lot of people imagine a mansion in Hawaii, they imagine driving down a winding rainforest path to reach a warm, elegant beachside escape. Basically, they imagine 723168 Makani Eka Place in Kailua, Kona. Listed for $20.7 million, this home offers that wild escape that so many people are looking for. Of course, not so wild that it doesn't have a hot tub and infinity pool. The 5-bedroom, 6-bath home has airy, open living spaces with touches of locally sourced wood and gemstones. The vaulted ceilings give every room a master bedroom feel. However, this home comes with a lot of firsts on our list, some good and some bad. If you're looking for a guest house, the home comes complete with a 3-bedroom Ohana cottage. This is Hawaii, after all. On the negative side of things, the home doesn't come with direct beach access. The beach which can be reached by a short golf cart ride or a long walk, whichever tickles your fancy. The home also offers an option for the buyer to purchase the home fully furnished. So, if bathtub sculptures like this are your speed, you might want to get your checkbook ready. Number 2. 69 2014 Nani Paniao Place, Camuela, $22.9 million. 69 2014 Nani Paniao Place in the Camuela isn't just a home, it's a compound. Set on 7.45 acres, this property includes a stunning 7-bedroom and 7.5-bathroom house. The home comes with an impeccably landscaped yard, a full theater, a billiards room, an indoor and outdoor bar, and a full outdoor kitchen and dining area. Of course, the home comes with oceanfront views from its pool and spa, but the property comes with much more than just luxury amenities. It comes with opportunity. The property is zoned to accommodate another 9 homes. All the parcels of land surrounding sell with the main house, meaning this property could truly become your own private resort. The possibilities are truly endless. The property is lined with mature coconut trees, lush vegetation, and is also home to several archaeological sites and man-made ponds. Number 1. 78107A Halua Road. We've finally reached the most expensive home for sale in Hawaii, and it's listed for a whopping $52.5 million. Can someone hand me a palm frond so I can fan myself, please? 78107A Halua Road isn't just a home or a property, it's a village. Originally owned by the Royal Trust, the village, known as Haikaiua Village, is now going to be sold for the first time in history. The $52 million price tag might make a little more sense once we take a closer look at how truly incredible this home really is. Set on a peninsula, Haikaiua Village offers 752 feet of ocean frontage, with remarkable views of the Pacific Ocean from all sides. Because the village prides itself on privacy and anonymity, the road to access the property is entirely hidden, and the home was built in secrecy over a 10-year span. Once you really take a look at the property, it's no surprise that the home has been built, lived in, and will now be sold in a confidential manner. Off the cliffs in front of your homes, you will frequently see humpback whales raising their calves. Just picture sitting in your own private village on a hammock in the warm sun, watching a family of whales raise their young. Absolutely incredible. The houses themselves are shrouded in mystery. However, there are a few elements that are public knowledge. There is a main home in the center of the property, with 6 additional homes spread out behind it. Each of the homes are thematically connected and were created by the same designer. They feature gorgeous open-air patios, hand-carved banisters and built-ins, copper ceiling murals, and stunning infinity pools. Some even jet out over the cliffside, offering a beautiful opportunity to soak in the hot tub while listening to the ocean waves. I have to say, after seeing this property, I might have to call some business partners myself and see if they might be interested in making a little investment. So, there you have it, the 5 most expensive homes for sale in Hawaii. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, I'm Mr. Luxury. Pip pip to doodly doo.